So our story started off just like any typical love or romance story. I was 22, I was in college, I had just moved to the US from Germany, and he was an American soldier stationed in the area. Our friends introduced us in a restaurant, and we hit it off right away. I had a great chemistry, I had a lot of things in common, and he seemed perfect. We both were hardworking individuals, ambitious, and that's how he portrayed himself to me. But once we were married, Prince Charming turned into Prince Harming, and that mask came off, and slowly over time, the behavior started changing. Who he was outside of the home was not the same as who he was behind the closed doors. When I did open up, I was actually told that, wait a minute, him? I can't believe he would do something like that. There was a disbelief, and there was this invalidation about my experience, because to the outside world, he was still Prince Charming. I didn't realize what I was in until many years later.
Domestic violence is a complex issue that needs supportive, compassionate, and well-trained individuals. The Domestic Violence Action Center provides a network of partners to guide victims of domestic violence every step of the way to a life free from abuse.
The Domestic Violence Action Center is also known as DVAC, and that acronym is used interchangeably to refer to a partnership as well as to an actual site location. As a partnership, we consist of about 16 county and non-county partners who are part of the coordinated community response, and we provide services to victims of domestic violence, sexual violence, stalking, and human trafficking. And as a site location, our central hub or our main location is at the historic courthouse, and it houses advocates who provide a plethora of services to victims. We also have partners that provide counseling, but that's not our only location. We also have an advocate that's based in the Juvenile Domestic and Relations Court, and we also have advocates that are able to provide services out of the Herndon Neighborhood Resource Center in North County, as well as the Jerry Highland Government Center. So our partners provide a range of services from legal representation, shelter, housing assistance. Our advocates provide safety planning for victims. Our main focus is really to provide options to the victims so that they know what's out there and they can make an informed decision. We also provide services and assistance for those who have committed harm, who are seeking help. And so if you have committed harm, or if you want resources for someone who's committed harm, you could also contact DVAC and we'll connect you to those resources as well. It's important for people to be aware that there are services and there's help out there if and when they're ready for assistance, and that they shouldn't be afraid to make the call if they need assistance, because there are people out there that are ready, willing, and capable and able to help them. Whether they decide to stay or whether they decide to leave is completely up to them, and it's no judgment, and advocates and service providers will work with them and meet them where they are.
Healing from domestic violence is really a lifelong journey that somebody goes through. It's a very complex and traumatic experience in life, and it has long-lasting impact. I am one of the lucky ones who got out alive. Thriving after domestic violence is definitely possible, but please make sure you take good care of yourself.